The next thing we're going to look at is the what. What are you going to send? What's your message? What do you have to say? What topics and what content will your email marketing campaigns consist of? We prepared some do's and don'ts to simplify this for you. Very clearly, maybe I should have put it in bold, educate, do not sell insurance. If you're sharing important information that's educational in nature and will help your prospects and clients make improvements to their business, either in a risk management sense or not, maybe a general business sense, they will be open to receiving, opening, clicking on, and maybe replying to the messages. If you attempt to sell insurance, better coverage, lower rates, they're not going to care. They won't listen. We've proven that over the years of e-marketing with our clients by showing them statistics and metrics and experimenting. I promise you're better off taking an educational tact. Also, industry specific, much better than generic. If you're maybe focusing on a workers' comp type campaign where you want to help companies with safety, there are indeed some topics that can be general and broad for many different industries. However, a trucker isn't going to be interested in hearing about fall safety that's directed at roofing contractors, and the roofing contractor in turn isn't going to be interested in hearing about CSA scores and run-under safety. So make sure that whenever you can, you verticalize in your email marketing messages, maybe separate sends to separate lists. Industry news and regulatory updates are always powerful. This has been proven very nicely on the benefits side with all the different Affordable Care Act regulations, updates, changes, reversals, court decisions, and alphabet soup that has come down the pipeline over the past 2 to 3 years as all these different healthcare regulations have changed and put companies who are prospects and opportunities under a great deal of strain and in need of information. Case studies, newsletters, webinar invitations all can be helpful and powerful as well. Many of you received email invitations to this web seminar today, clicked on the link, went to our landing page, registered, and are now attending. And we'll talk about those aspects of an email marketing campaign in just a minute. We also want to toss out a few warnings. When creating your message, don't use spam words. Don't use rush words. Don't say buy now, register now, free, cheap. And make sure you read, understand, and implement all the policies of CAN-SPAM. And Alan, I know that you are an expert on CAN-SPAM and also the do's and don'ts of e-marketing. Can you share a few insights regarding the what for us?
Absolutely, and noteworthy, we have recent blogs on our website talking about accidental use of rush words, the top 10 or 20 spam words for insurance agencies, brokers, and wholesalers. So check out our website, go to our blogs, and you will find lots of robust information on this. Now, people confuse opt-in and CAN-SPAM. I encourage everyone to go to the CAN-SPAM site or to check out one of our blogs talking about CAN-SPAM regulations. There's 6 critical CAN-SPAM regulations. The basics are your subject line has to match the content of the email. You must identify yourself. You must provide an easy way for people to opt out. You must honor that opt-out. It talks about when you're first interacting or how you will interact with people in a fair and non-spammy way. Opt-in is different. Opt-in is getting people to say, yes, I want your information, and there's opt-in, double opt-in, and vetting of lists. I encourage you to reach out to John because it's a complex topic to dive into, but at a minimum, you should be making sure that your agency and your agents follow CAN-SPAM regulations. So not only should you have a control over your e-marketing, you have to make sure agents aren't sending out blind copies to 50 or 100 people at a time without offering any type of CAN-SPAM opt-outs, for example. So very important content, John, and back